how to solve this problem? You have to do cross multiply x into x square plus 8 times 4 32. Next 4 times x 4x is equal to 3. X square plus 32. Shift 4x to the right hand side, it becomes multiply 4x square plus 32 is equal to 3 4s are 12x. 12x shift to the left hand side, sign changes. X square plus 32 minus 12x is equal to 0. It can be written as x square minus 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. You have to factorize this one. X square minus 8x minus 4x plus 32 is equal to 0. In this, x taken as a common, x minus 8 minus 4 taken common, x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, our value x is equal to 4, x is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 8. That's our answer. Thank you for watching.